So we're going to compute the number of murders here per 100,000 residents for each of these cities listed here in the data set. To do that, I'm going to start by giving the column here a heading. Let's just call this per 100,000, like that. And I'm going to stretch that column out so that it's wide enough to accommodate that. And we might want to go ahead and boldface that as well. Let's see, that would be right there. Okay, now we're going to need a formula to do this. I'm going to start with the equal sign. And then I'm going to start with a left parenthesis because there's a little computation I want Excel to do first before it does the rest of the computation. We're going to take the number of murders and divide by the number of people, and then multiply that, I'm using the asterisk on the keyboard, times 100,000, 100,000, and then hit enter. And there we have about 7 murders per 100,000 people for Albuquerque. Now to copy this down the column, I just highlight the formula and right click and choose copy, and then drag to highlight the cells that I want to copy that formula to. Let up and right click again and choose paste. And the final thing I want to do is go ahead and format this cell, or sorry, this column, to just show a whole number and no decimal points, because it doesn't make a lot of sense, for example, to have 7.5 people. We need to have whole people here. So I'm going to just click at the top of the column to highlight the entire thing, right click and choose Format Cells, and choose Number, and reduce the decimal places to 0. And there we go. Now we have just whole numbers in that column.